Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-baggers tips. Now we are going to discuss about a private sector banks, sorry, public sector bank, PSU banks, and I'm recommending all the PSU banks since more than 3 months now, and there was a privatization news was announced before, and still it is ongoing, and there was delay due to the pandemic, but currently again it is restarted. For the first phase, PSB bank is going to be privatized. So we are going to discuss all about the current rally which is happening to all private sector, sorry, public sector banks. So let us see that last 1 week there is a silent rally happening in all PSU banks. You can see here. So in especially in Punjab Sindh Bank, so the deal is almost going to be closed. So let us go into that details now. Details. Before that, let us have a look into all the bank current trading price. You can see here, Central Bank of India is trading around 18.45. I was recommending this from 13.5 range. So we are in good profit now, and our target is around 95. So same way I have recommended all the remaining stocks. You can see here the volume traded is around 4 crore, and the other one you can see here, Bank of Maharashtra, around 3 crore traded, and you can see here 25.40. And the other one you can see here, Punjab and Sindh Bank. So this bank is going to be privatized shortly. So it is on upper circuit now, and you can see only 66 lakhs shares are traded, and there was buy order was pending. And Union Bank of India, you can see here 37.35, around 6 percentage up, around 3 crore shares traded. And the other one, UCO Bank, the same way, 9 percentage up and almost 5 crore shares traded. And Indian Bank, you can see here only 92 lakh shares traded and 5 percentage up. And the other one, Indian Overseas Bank, you can see here 3 crore shares traded and 4 percentage up. And you can see here, Bank of India, almost 2 crore shares traded, 5 percentage up. And you can see here, South Indian Bank, it's trading around 8 percentage up. So individual videos you can find in my this thing. Already I created a playlist for this. So you can find all the videos related to all the banks, you can find here. So already I made the fundamental analysis and everything I am updating here. So you can find all those videos here. So now let us go into the details on the first phase of privatization of the bank. Currently, the PSB Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, already they received this thing, a bid for the privatization from the major parties, and it is shortlisted. You can see here. However, refused to divulge the shortlisted name, sitting the market sensitivity. So the already it is a bid already submitted by the major corporates, and they are awaiting for it's shortlisted also. So in the coming days you can come to know who is going to take over the bank. And there is a battle going on here. You can see here around they are asking for around 26% of the stake, but government is only going to give only 15%. So it means they surely they will try to acquire some more shares from the open market on other names. So in future, once they get the chance, they will add as a promoter share. So this is going to be happen now. So the free floating shares will be reduced. So let us go to the Punjab and Sindh Bank, so you can come to know that current shareholding pattern. So all the banks are in the same way. Punjab and Sindh Bank, if you see the shareholding pattern, so if you see here, the shareholding pattern, the government of India is holding around 97 percentage, 97.7 percentage. Only 2.93 percentage is out. So it is, this is only the free floating share. In the all the remaining banks are same. So it is very precious right now. If you are holding any PSU bank, please don't leave it, because on the coming days there will be huge demand is going to become. So surely all the PSU banks will be multi-bagger. So this is a time to accumulate, and surely this will be all the PSU banks will be multi-bagger. So thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates.